In this video, we're going to take a look at 3 fantastic books by World Chocolate Awards winner Pierre Marcolini of Belgium. These 3 books are different but highly recommended in their own ways. The first one we'll look at is Eclats, which is the largest of the 3. A very, very large book, heavy book, as you can see, hardcover. All of these books are hardcover, but this is the only one that has a sleeve. Now, Pierre Marcolini has won various awards. He has shops throughout the world: Tokyo, Dubai, Paris, and of course in Brussels, Belgium and London. Now, the photos in here are fantastic. Black and white, very vivid, and the language it's presented in is actually in 3 languages: Dutch, French, the official languages of Belgium, and of course English. And it takes you through kind of the mind, the outlook of Pierre Marcolini. For example, here the architecture and its influence on his patisserie, on his cakes and presentation of various sweet treats, and just interesting things that he picks out as inspirational or notable. There you have a oven for roasting cacao, and you will get to know how Pierre Marcolini looks at the world and see he has an eye for detail, an eye for texture and shape. These things helped him. By the way, this is an antique chocolate mold. These things have helped him craft some of the most beautiful cakes and pastries you've ever seen. In fact, he was awarded Best Pastry Chef in the World by the World Pastry Stars in 2020. He's also a caterer to the Belgian Royal Court. What will stand out most to you is that Pierre Marcolini is many things. He's not only a World Chocolate Awards winner, he's a bean-to-bar chocolate maker, roasting and processing the cacao beans into chocolate in his workshop near Brussels, Belgium. And he just has a passion for the art of pastry making, chocolate making. You can appreciate this through the book. This book isn't for everyone, but as you can see, you can get a good idea of how it is and if it's for you from this video. But it comes highly recommended, and we do appreciate the level of effort and meticulous detail in the presentation. We have this square-shaped book, just like his blocks of chocolate, his chocolate bars. It's a very satisfying book to just flick through or read through. And whether it's, like I say, the antique chocolate molds that you see here, the textures highlighted, the forms, the shapes, you can see it's someone with a high level of passion and motivation for what they're doing. And this book gives you an insight into that. It's not a recipe book. The other 2 will tell you about the recipes of Pierre Marcolini and inspire you on that front. But this is a book to, if you perhaps like what he produces, you're a fan of his products, his pastries, his chocolates, this will take you into his mind and into his world. And if you're a chef or considering becoming a pastry chef or involved in this kind of industry, in this kind of creativity, this may inspire you. So hopefully that gives you some idea of what the book is about and who it may appeal to. Next we come to 10 Little Fingers Covered in Chocolate by Pierre Marcolini. This gives you recipes which are connected by the theme of chocolate. It's aimed at the younger audience, or the adult audience, I would say, equally, who appreciate simplicity but results which are far from simple, that are sophisticated and extremely tasty. And we've tried a few of them. There are colour photos in this book. Its idea is to be fun and simple, with one page dedicated to the photo of what you're going to make, profiteroles, and then on the left you can see a recipe to follow. This fantastic photography as always, backlit, very simple, very inspirational. Just look at the texture there. You've got meringue au chocolat, waffles, and chocolate dipped fruit, macaroons, and chocolate cake, madeleines. So very diverse, and look at that chocolate cake, it looks absolutely phenomenal. And mousse au chocolat, some of these products you can buy from Pierre Marcolini, but he's publishing the recipes for you to make, and page after page. And Speculus, the famous Belgian Dutch biscuit, which has to be tried if you've not tried it, is delicious, especially when made with pure and high quality ingredients, as Pierre Marcolini will show you in this book. Now, this book is in French, however it's in fairly simple, straightforward French, and it's short and to the point. You can see in bold on the left, just above the main text, the ingredients list, and it's very easy to translate and well worth the time it takes to do so. Beautiful book, highly underrated, nowhere near as well known as it should be. And then we come to the final book here, Chocolatecfe, and as the cover suggests, all the recipes in here involve chocolate and coffee. On this page you can see some cacao beans, some examples of different origins, a little introduction by Pierre, and some notes on the different brews. This book was done, it seems, in combination with Nescafé. Now we have various recipes, just slightly more sophisticated, a bit more lengthy than the other book which we just looked at, and the results are absolutely in line with that. They just take it up another level in terms of sophistication and results. And so this book again is highly recommended. We wouldn't publish it in a video if we didn't think it was well worth the time and effort to show you. Again, it's in French and it's not too much trouble to translate. It's very worthwhile if your French isn't good enough to just read it as it is. There's, like I say, there's a bit more text in the other book, but it's not too much to get through. And again, on the left you have the recipes and notes, on the right very inspirational photos of what you're going to cook up. So this concludes this short video on the 3 books by Pierre Marcolini, and I hope you've been inspired by some of these photos, by some of these images that are in these books. And these books, as I say, deserve to get known a lot more than they are already known. You can find them whatever country you're in. You can find them easily, for example, on Amazon or eBay. These aren't the only books by Pierre Marcolini, but they're some of the most notable ones in our opinion. Thanks for watching, and please join our channel so you can discover a lot more about the world of cacao and chocolate.